Hi guys, this is my Western Digital My Passport external hard drive. I got this because I ran out of room on my old hard drive, which only had about 320 gigabytes, but this is 1 terabyte. So I upgraded to, I believe, the 10th power. So I'm just going to do an opening or unboxing today because I need to work with it to know what all it does. Let's go ahead and open it. I got it for the storage size and the fact that it is slim, so it'll be easy to carry. So right off the bat, this is what comes in the box. It is protected in this plastic case. All right. So you have the actual external hard drive. Looks like an instruction manual and a cable. I am used to Seagate, but like I said, I have opened my mind and I am trying Western Digital. So this, like I said, is why I got it, because it's slim. It's 4.2 inches in length, 2.95 inches in width, and 0.44 inches in thickness. This here is a USB 2.0 cable. One side goes into your PC, other side is here into the external hard drive. Okay. Another reason I got this is because this is encrypted and it can be set up to have a password to get into the storage box. It also has backup software, so if you by chance destroy your external hard drive, you have a backup online. Here's instructions. The cable is fairly long, not too long. You can't go too far, but I mean, I don't know why you would want to when you're just, transferring storage. But yes, I am pleased so far with how the packaging looked, how it was in the packaging, the sleek look of my actual external hard drive. This will be so much easier than my previous one to carry around. And here's the information on the back about WD or Western Digital My Passport, the specs.